Hey buddy, today in this video we'll show you how to make garlic butter chicken fried rice. First we'll need a white chicken breast, and all we're going to do is slice it up and take off the extra fat. Make sure you create very thin slices so that it can cook faster. There you go. And all we're going to do next is add some garlic salt, avocado oil, flip them over, and do the same thing again. And that's it. And we're going to add just a little bit of spray of cooking oil. And we're done here with the chicken. For ingredients, we have 2 cups of white rice that's been pre-made. We have 4 tablespoons of melted butter, some oyster sauce, sesame seed oil, and soy sauce. And those are the ingredients we'll need. And of course, garlic salt. And let's get started. Okay, we're going to turn on the stove on high. We're just going to add some cooking oil to the pan. Going to spread out the oil. Spread the chicken out. We're going to turn them over. Alright, now it's golden brown, and now we're going to add the white rice. And we're adding about 2 cups of white rice. And now we're going to add the 4 tablespoons of melted butter. We're also going to add 2 eggs. There you go. Stir them all up. Let that cook. Mix it all together. We're going to add 1 tablespoon of sesame seed oil, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. And a little dash of garlic salt. And that's it. And we're just going to stir everything all together. And also 1 cup of frozen peas. And we're going to stir everything together, and that's about it. Make sure nothing sticks to the sides. And we're done. We're gonna turn off the heat. And we're gonna put it on the plate. So there we have it. Garlic butter chicken fried rice. Give it a try, it's delicious. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. If you would like to see more content on food and travel, product reviews, recipes, and more, subscribe to support our channel. Thanks!